Hi, this is Mahesh Ravi, and in this video, we'll take a look at how did I create this. It started as an experiment, creating a reference of a video with three dimension and rendering it with AI. So let's get into that. We'll choose a character from Nixon in this. All right, so we need a character first. So let's go to characters and take a basic character. Doesn't matter much, but let's choose something with a little bit of facial clarity. So let's use this character. Okay. So we have this character right now. It doesn't have any animation, so it's giving T-pose. Let's go to animations and load some animations into it. So we need something with, so this one, standing like that. Let's download that. Now what we're going to do is we are going to open this in Cinema 4D and render out a basic sequence. So let's go to our downloads. We have all these characters here. What we're going to do is we are going to go to Cinema 4D. This can be done anywhere in Blender or Cinema 4D or any 3D software. So we have this right now. Just going to open project, go to downloads, and we have a lot of stuff here. So let's take the first one. Just import everything. So it comes with the animation, the character, and all of that, right? So we can see this. And if we play it, you can see the character with the animation that we selected, right? So what we're going to do is a couple of things. So we need to set up our render. So I'm going to just add a couple of basic stuff into this. So I need a plane for the character. I'm just going to add that there. Let's maybe scale it up a little bit. Okay. Right. So okay, we need a basic light as well. You can go to a sky and create that. So that's going to be easy for us. So we will create a physical sky. That'll be easy. So let's go to the light system, click on a physical sky and creates a sky right here. So now let's set up a camera and let's go and create a camera here. So we have a basic camera. We are looking through that camera right now. Just maybe play around with the angle a little bit. So we have, then we can see the character doing something like this. It's fine. Very, very minimal motion. That's okay. So what we have right now is almost set. We need to set up our render settings. So let's go to output. It's half HD, which is fine. We have the all frames, right? So 575 frames. We'll just bring it down to maybe 200 frames. So it runs for 200 frames, and we'll save this um, as an MP4 file. And let's start rendering this, right? So let's click hit render. So it's going to render. It's 200 frames, so it's not going to take that much time. For testing, this is going to be enough. So we have this, we have the render ready. So we have the MP4 file right here, just play it out. We basically don't have to render it a viewport view is just fine, but we wanted some details like shadows, colors and things like that. And that's the reason I made a basic render out of Cinema 4D. So now that we have it, we are going to render it with AI, right? We're going to create a stylized render of this animation using AI. So I'll show you how to do that. We're going to go and use a platform called Krea. We are in Krea.ai video restyle. So click on to open video restyle. We are here. We can upload a video right here. So we are going to just click on upload video. We're going to choose the render that we just made and it's going to upload that. So once the video is uploaded, we can see the depth. It was able to calculate the depth from it. It was able to calculate the edges of this model, the pose of the model, and the colors from here. And that's the reason we actually created this render. So it's easy for the AI to locate the object because it's not natively being rendered inside a 3D platform. So we'll go here, and this is where you describe what you want this character to do. That's the character. I can go and motivate that design or animation with a style just chosen from here. So we're going to go and add a style that we want. Let's go and find a pretty interesting style. Okay, fluffy creatures are an interesting style. So here we are. We actually got something which is really interesting, right? So with that, the model that we have given, it was able to take that and create that into a model which follows the exact same pose but uses the color and the background from the style reference that we have given. And it's pretty neat, right? So I just want to show you this possibility out there. And if you think that you can actually use this, so rather than spending a lot of hours, you're controlling it. You're actually controlling the form, the shape, the movement, but it's being rendered out with, again, your ideas, and it's coming right there, right? So it's a really interesting thing. So check it out.